If you want to have better contact with people when you're attending a conference, you have to be determined to making sure that the networking really works for you. Welcome to another video in my series, The ABCs of Conference Networking. So whether you're an individual who's looking to attend an event, or if you're a meeting planner who is about to plan a major conference, the networking opportunities matter more than ever. We have learned that we can deliver content through a lot of virtual platforms. But getting people to connect face-to-face and begin conversations that down the road can lead to really good relationships, to really having that human connection that comes from attending an in-person event, in order to make that work, in order to make it thrive, we have to have a double dose of determination. So if you're planning an event, one of the things I suggest is you have to be determined to make sure that your conference is going to have a culture where people can feel comfortable connecting with one another. You know, when I interview people about what are the best parts of attending an event, so often they tell me it is those serendipitous hallway conversations that they had no way to plan for, that when it happened, boom, it changed everything. So when you're planning your conference, you have to set up the ability for that to happen. Now you might say, Tom, what is planned serendipity? Well, planned serendipity is when you are determined that your conference is going to be all about the people, that the people having a great time and sharing experiences is what matters the most. So make that one of your top priorities as you plan the event. If you leave the networking as a second tier priority, I can promise you, you're gonna have second tier results. Now, if you're that person who's gonna be attending an event, here's what you need to do. You need to be really determined that you're gonna meet people. This isn't about walking around and putting business cards in the hands of every third person that you meet, but instead it is paying attention, it's being aware, and it's being determined that you're gonna find ways that you can create long-term and mutually beneficial relationships with people. So the D in the ABCs of conference networking is determination. I wanna see you determined to make people matter more than ever. In today's world, we have to come together and choose people.